Wait, what is this thing? This is called iSpin hand spinner. It is a substitute for these habits that we get used to in our daily life. It helps stress relief and makes you focus. Currently, we find these good quality spinners are very expensive in the market, while the cheap ones has very poor quality. So we want to make a high quality hand spinner that is affordable by most of us. The iSpin spinner is made of 18 colorful O-rings, 10 CNC machine brass parts, and 1 high quality bearing. The 6 green O-rings in the middle is illuminated. Because of the high quality bearing we use, the spinner is super quiet, and the spinning time can be up to 3 to 5 minutes. It also makes the spinner well balanced at your hand, so that you can play the tricks with the iSpin spinner easily. It takes us 3 months for the research and sampling. Now we get everything ready and need your help to reduce the mass production cost and bring this fantastic hand spinner in front of you.
Alpha is a spinning multi-toy designed to increase focus through fidgeting. Alpha has features and styling never before seen.
Hi, I'm Mike Hogarty, and by day I design supercar parts. I love high-end CNC craftsmanship, and the maker community inspires me.
I'm Callie Keene. I've developed over 200 products for startups, entrepreneurs, and Fortune 500 companies. But this time, we decided to make something really fun. The creativity and craftsmanship of the maker community inspires us. Seeing the beautiful machined knives, tools, and tops gets us excited. The term multi-toy is something that we jokingly coined during development, but it's kind of true. The complete package contains a top, acts as a gyroscopic battle top, and serves as a satisfying hand spinner.
Design is an exploration. If you end exactly where you expected, you're just implementing. Alpha is the result of rapid iteration through prototyping, testing, and learning. We tested bearings, materials, and profiles to refine the design. We considered spin, feel, weight, appearance, and functionality. Precision CNC machine parts are expensive. We need your help and funding from Kickstarter to make a high enough volume to offer Alpha to the community.
50年前ぐらいに学校の授業中に万年筆のキャップを転がして遊んでた人たちがね、大勢いたらしいんです。それを見た佐藤俊夫さんというクラフト作家がおもちゃに作り変えたんですね。そのおもちゃに僕は出会って、アレンジを加えて現在のモクルという姿になりました。自分で遊び方をどんどん無限に開発できるっていうところがいいところだと思ってます。やればやるだけ上手になる。これはまさにスポーツなんではないか。これはデスクトップスポーツだと、そういうふうに思い命名しました。まず初心者の方は左右に1回転がして押さえるということができたらいいと思います。次にですね、前後左右の動き、あるいは2回転転がして押さえる、あるいは早く転がす、そのようなことになります。ここから先はですね、技を繰り出せるようになると思うんですが、2本を使ったりですね、両手でやったり、あるいは自分で考えた持ち上げる技であったりとか、そういうことが楽しめると思います。 人でキャッチボールみたいに行き来させたりとか、転がし続けて先にダメになった方が負けというゲーム性を持たさせたりとか、そういうような楽しみ方ができます。ムクルは自分で遊びを考える喜び、その技を練習してできた時の喜び、さらにそれを世界中のみんなとシェアする喜び、そんな楽しさがたくさん詰まっているいいおもちゃです。ぜひ皆さん、モクルで楽しんでください。
In a time where the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often the small and simple things that make us happy. Coming home after a long, stressful day, we all need to recharge our batteries. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching spin toys overwin gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. We have created Spinner Spinballs, the fastest spinning toy on this planet. A fascinating spinning toy reinvented in an elegant way. Spinner Spinballs are made from 2 solid steel balls spot welded together. We have used industry-leading coating technology and materials for a perfect spinning experience. Exposed to light beams, spinballs also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinner's iOS and Android apps. We could spend hours exploring all the different light effects and colors which can be created by this wonderful toy. We have spent more than 10 months with developing, designing, testing and prototyping to bring this toy to perfection. We have looked into every detail and we have been working hard together with our suppliers to ensure only the best materials are used. The result is an amazing and exceptional toy for spin lovers and everyone else who is fascinated by the simplicity of light and speed or wants to bring back childhood memories. Help us to bring this toy to life. Support us now and become a Spinnerd.